Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be reviewing this cast iron skillet made by Cook Life, and we're going to be doing a marinade for our chicken. We're going to be using a boneless chicken thigh, and we're going to marinate it with some orange and some other spices. So stay tuned for that. So after unboxing this thing, you can see it has several parts to it. It has that Scotch-Brite pad. It has a little plastic piece to scrape off any kind of residue left on the skillet itself. It has a nice little handle made of leather and a little stainless steel lid as well, which is really handy when cooking. So what we're going to do is go ahead and put it on our pan, but first let's go ahead and marinate this chicken. All right, so for this chicken here, we're just going to do olive oil, and then we're going to go ahead and mix that in. And then what I like to use is some orange. This is fresh orange from my backyard tree. Yes, and lime from my backyard tree as well. I like to plant a lot of stuff because I'm Mexican. So mix that all in, get those citruses going. And then we're going to go ahead and hit it with some lemon pepper. And this is pretty much all we're going to use. We're not going to overdo it today. We're just going to make a simple marinade for our chicken here. And this is pretty much it. We're ready to go, and we're gonna go ahead and turn on our cast iron skillet, get it really hot, piping hot, and put some olive oil. This is a good cooking oil to cook with, and we're gonna go ahead and sear these things up. And this thing's gonna take about 30 minutes to cook. Like I said, there's no bone in this. It's relatively thin. It's gonna cook really quickly. We're just testing out this skillet, and we're gonna go ahead and cover this up and check on it periodically. So you want to cook this on medium heat. Do not cook it on low. You don't have to cook it on high. Medium is perfect, and you'll be done in about 30 to 40 minutes, or when the internal temp is about 170 to 175. It is healthy and edible at that point. So as you can see, it's getting a nice glaze. If you've never tried this recipe, I would recommend that you do try it. And if you're not following me on anything, just go ahead and look up Orozco's Kitchen. I cook all kinds of meals, and I do reviews on all sorts of products. So hit me up. All right, so once this thing's all nice and seared, we can see that it didn't stick, and it has a nice crust to it. We're going to go ahead and cut it up. So far, I'm very impressed with the skillet. Later we made pancakes, not in this video, but we made pancakes, eggs. We tested this thing, man, and I want to say it's a go. It's a green light, man. Check it out. It's really nice. Hopefully this review helps you guys, and the chicken turned out delicious, man. Check out my other cooking recipes and videos, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But look at how easily this thing rips apart. Nice.